Ravindra Jadeja drops catch after nasty collision with Matheesha Pathirana Women's ODI Tri-Series. R. Premadasa Stadium, Banu 19 in SL Colombo Cricket Club, KUWW in Botswana Cricket AS, IPLM. Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bengaluru ZIMW in USA Grand Prairie Crick, CYPW in CZE Cyprus Women beat CZ. Women's T20I Quadran. Thailand Women beat, BRNW in Oman Women beat Bar, Women's ODI Tri-Series. R. Premadasa Stadium, Banu 19 in SL Colombo Cricket Club, KUWW in Botswana Cricket AS, IPLM. Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bengaluru ZIMW in USA Grand Prairie Crick, CYPW in CZE Cyprus Women beat CZ. Women's T20I Quadran. Thailand Women beat, BRNW in Oman Women beat Bar, Women's ODI Tri-Series. R. Premadasa Stadium, Banu 19 in SL Colombo Cricket Club, KUWW in Botswana Cricket AS. Things were not going well for the Chennai Super Kings in their away clash against the Royal Challengers Bengaluru as two of their star players took a heavy blow as they collided whilst taking a catch in the Indian Premier League 2025 clash at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru on Saturday evening. Jacob Bethel, the young English all-rounder, lit up an absolute storm at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, scoring boundaries left, right and centre through the batting power play in the first innings. CSK seemed to have their chance when Bethel looked to slam one against Anshul Kambodge but got the topage onto the short third-man region, but both Matheesha Pathirana and Ravindra Jadeja did not communicate clearly. The latter had made the call, but the young Sri Lankan international did not hear it and came in charging. Replays showed that Jadeja had his hands on the ball, but the collision resulted in the catch being dropped. Pathirana and Jadeja repeated Pakistani players catching Grispskusk CSK vs RCB pic. Twitter.com WQQXM7 Yuf Bruce Wayne _Bruce__007 May 3, 2025 Pathirana soon made up for his fumble but it was too late as RCB went on to score 97 runs in 9.5 overs. Virat Kohli also went on to score his half-century as well to put RCB well ahead in this fixture. RCB will want to get the win to ensure that they take the top spot in the points table. Chennai Super Kings had won the toss and opted to bowl first. They also fielded an unchanged playing 11. The Royal Challengers Bengaluru decided to make just the one change to their side by bringing in Lungi Njiti in place of the experienced Josh Hazlewood. Royal Challengers Bengaluru Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal, Rajat Patida C, Jacob Bethel, Jitesh Sharma W, Tim David, Krunal Pandya, Romario Shepherd, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Lungi Njiti, Yash Dale. Swipe left for next video. Chennai Super Kings MS Dhoni CWK, Sheikh Rashid, Ayush Mehta, Sam Curran, Ravindra Jadeja, Dewald Brevis, Deepak Huda, Anshul Kambodge, Noor Ahmed, Khalil Ahmed, Matheesha Pathirana. More to follow latest blogs.